Good afternoon, everyone. I hope everyone are in a great condition, even in this pandemic. So as we gathered today, we will discuss about zero waste lifestyle in Malaysia. So before we begin, I would like to introduce our team members. My name is Rata Akila binti Yaakob, matrix number 208314. Next.
Hello everyone, my name is Sofia binti Ismail and my matrix number is 207835.
My name is Ong Jian Xiang. Matric number is 208539.
Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Hazim bin Hasbullah and my matric number is 208497.
Our topic today is it difficult to practice zero waste lifestyle in Malaysia? So as we know, zero waste is a set of principle which focusing on waste prevention. It encourages to redesign resources life cycle so that all the products will be reused. So no trash will pollute the environment, landfill and ocean for our benefit. So from my opinion, it is not difficult because we have the support from the government, the public organization, and also the society itself. So first and foremost, the government already do many campaigns, seminars, and public talk to give awareness and to educate the society in Malaysia so that we can implement it in our residents. For example, one of the campaign that already been conducted by local authorities, presented by Ministry of Environment and Water, they already implement a campaign on all premises in Malaysia with the slogan "No Plastic Bag" on every Saturday. Moreover, the local who wants to use plastic bags will be charged 20 cents for each at the payment counter. To overcome the using of plastic bag, local authorities also urge people to bring their own bag so that no plastic bag will be used. So from this situation, this can reduce the production of more plastic bags and curb the environmental pollution. Another example is the web campaign, 3R, no straw campaign, and many more because that reuse the garbage from our house. So how about you, Sophia?
Thank you, Ravdatul, for your opinion. However, I think that it is difficult for Malaysians to practice zero waste lifestyle in Malaysia because the government is lack of financial injection for solid waste management. This is because it costs a huge amount of money to run a large-scale waste management company. Other than that, I think that the government is less paying attention to our country's solid waste management because they think that this problem is a small problem compared to many of our nation's problems, such as health problems and also education. Our education, they does not realize that if uh, if we successfully manage our solid waste wisely, we also can generate income for our country because we can also make money from recycling this solid waste. However, they did not notice that. So, what is your opinion on about this issue?
I think you have a good idea, but in my opinion, I think it is not difficult to implement a zero waste lifestyle in Malaysia if our education system has contributed its effort in moving toward this lifestyle. Every citizen in Malaysia should be well educated from a young age. Starting from primary school, the teachers, instead of teaching the knowledge to the student, can also teach about the method, the importance of protecting and preserving our mother nature. Furthermore, we also can carry out some environmental friendly activity like gotong royong, fry up program in school regularly so that the student can have the chance to practice and apply what they have learned from those programs in their lifestyle. So how about Hazim?
Yeah, your opinion is really interesting for me. But for me, Personally, I think it is difficult to apply zero waste lifestyle in Malaysia. It is because there are many manufacturers not promoting reuse of packaging. According to the article written by Gauri Krishnan with the title of Is It Possible to Go Zero Waste on the Budget, stated that manufacturers play a big role in practicing zero waste lifestyle in Malaysia. To explain more, they usually did not practice the reduction of packaging or use more eco-friendly and reusable packaging. For the example, we can see cheap packet come with so much plastic and so little of cheap. So that's promoting the users of so many plastic bags. It is also supported by our Malaysian mindset that is poor enough. They are always interested in buying stuff that will directly contribute to the solid waste in Malaysia. So I stand with my opinion that it is difficult to apply zero waste lifestyle in Malaysia. Sorry for my opinion. So what do you think about my point just now? Do you agree with me on?
I see things a little bit different because since January 2017, Selangor state government has been carrying out the free plastic and polystyrene bag company, and such enforcement is implemented daily at all business premises throughout the state. Therefore, it shows that our government has placed great attention to this zero waste lifestyle concept and has also implemented a lot of projects to materialize the lifestyle in Malaysia. So I think that a zero waste lifestyle is not difficult to be practiced in Malaysia.
Sorry to interrupt, but I want to add on points. In Malaysia, we already have Zero Waste Malaysia organization, which introduced a simple and practical step-by-step to the society to lead a zero waste lifestyle, but implemented it immediately. So it is an organization that educate every age of people like students, young adults, and old people using many kinds of platform like education talk, campaign, and many more. So moreover, it is a combination project with other public organizations such as Youth Zero Waste, Minus Zero Waste, Bino Black CD, and Hello Pasa, which pledge and encourage zero waste practices in the society. Uh, Even in this pandemic, they're still active in their long last campaign by doing online talk and virtual classroom to the students to implement zero waste lifestyle. So other than that, the society also take action by the campaign. So based on the statistic by Zero Waste Organization, most waste come from organic waste, which is 55%, where it is come from our daily meal. The gardeners lovers, such as my family, do the biofertilizer from the household resources and garbage from our kitchen. So I think it is not difficult if everyone acknowledge their role and implement it to make zero waste lifestyle happen. So do you agree with me, Sophia?
Thank you, Dato. But I think I don't agree with your opinion because I think that Malaysians society behavior plays a big role in why it is difficult for us to practice zero waste lifestyle in Malaysia. This is because they are still ignorant about this issue. For example, our society know that plastic will cause many environmental pollution and that can affect our health and also can affect the ecosystem, but they still use uh, these plastics in their everyday life and just throw them away. So it is difficult for us to practice zero waste lifestyle in Malaysia because our people are still ignorant about this issue and they doesn't care about what is happening around them.
Sorry to interrupt. I want to add on Sophia point. I think you are absolutely right that Malaysian citizen mindset is poor about zero waste lifestyle. By referring to the article with the little of Malaysian rank highest among 6 ASEAN countries on plastic consumption, written by Yap Wanjiang, it is saying that our Malaysian statistic of 16.8 kilogram plastic bag used per person in a year. Could you imagine if all of our Malaysian population threw plastic bag at this amount? What will come to the Malaysian? Uh, to to argue with the Raudatul point, why we need to focus on the composting, although the plastic bag will play more dangerous effect to human healthy. Uh, Instead of we compost the material we use, uh, there are many dangerous and bad effect that come from the plastic bag for surely. So I think it is difficult to apply zero waste lifestyle in Malaysia because as my point of view and Sophia point. So how about your opinion, Ong? Do you agree with my stand now?
Yes, after I heard what are you saying, because I know that the current mindset and lifestyle of Malaysia are the largest obstacle for achieving the goal. So it may take a very long and hard time to achieve zero waste in Malaysia.
Sorry to interrupt. After hearing Sophia and Hazim points, I think I agree with them because even some of the society already implement it, but most of the society still not take action to make it happen. So I think I agree with it is difficult to practice zero waste lifestyle in Malaysia.
Okay. After listening to the opinion presented in the discussion, majority of all agreed that it is difficult to apply a zero waste lifestyle in Malaysia. Let me recap the important point in our discussion just now, which are stand for it is difficult to apply zero waste lifestyle in Malaysia, stated by Radatul, that government have support by many organizations that do so many campaign to educate society, and there are some environmental activity implemented from age of kid by Ong. For point number 3 about difficult to apply zero waste lifestyle in Malaysia, stated by Sophia, is lack of financial injection to run solid waste management. Then the last point stated by myself is that many manufacturers does not applying concept of zero waste lifestyle or use of packaging. Before we end our discussion, we can conclude that it is difficult to practice a zero waste lifestyle in Malaysia in order to conserve our planet from waste product that can threaten our life. So, for example, plastic have so many bad effect. If we have or we use the water that are have the pollution by the plastic bag, it will have harmful to the human healthy. So I think that's all for our discussion today. Thank you for your all contribution, and we will meet again. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.